Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a little bit of a follow-up to about 2 weeks ago when I did my own gel nails at home. So as you can see, these look pretty good. These two unfortunately did not make it. I honestly do think that it was me though. What I learned from the last video is I just think I needed to prep my nails better. Like I needed to buff them a little bit and maybe clean them with a little bit of acetone before I put the gel nail polish on. Because I didn't do that, I did kind of have to layer the gel nail polish on a little bit thick, and especially the thumbs, I feel like they were really thick on the sides, and that caused them to lift and peel, and they just kind of came right off. I actually feel like the rest of my nails held up pretty well. So what I'm gonna do with you guys today is I want to show you guys how I take off my gel nail polish at home. So what I actually got to take off my nails is this Tinator professional nail art tools, and this is from Amazon, and this was $13.99, and it has really good reviews. It has 4.5 stars with 1,291 reviews. It's really convenient. It comes with a lot of stuff in here. So the first one are these cotton pads that we will soak in the acetone. It also comes with a little brush if you want to brush your nails clean. It also comes with 2 files. So this one is a more of a rough file, and then this one is more of like a buffer. It comes with 10 of these little clipper things. So what we'll do is we will put the cotton pad with acetone inside, and then you just clip them over your finger. So then you don't have to do like the foil wrap or anything like that like they do in the salon. It comes with one of these little tools. It's like a steel, pretty heavy duty. And then once we've soaked the polish off, we'll use this to scrape. So we get all that for $13.99, and then I just grabbed one of these acetones from Walgreens or CVS, and I like this because you could actually take the cotton pad and you just press this down and it soaks up, and then the rest that puddles up in here will soak back in. So I really think that this is really easy to use. So what I'm going to do now is angle the camera down so you guys can see me working. Okay, so first I'm going to take this file that is a little bit more rough, and I'm going to file down the shiny top layer of the gel first. Maybe I shouldn't have worn a black shirt. But okay, so I filed the top layer with the shiny coat off of the nails, and I guess we can use this to kind of dust off a little. So you see how the shiny coat is gone. And I'm just gonna do one hand at a time just for ease of showing you guys. So I'm going to take some of these cottons. I'm going to separate them first to make it a little easier. I'm going to take my acetone. So what I'm actually going to do, because these are so big, I'm actually going to fold it into fourths so then it fits over my nail a little bit better. And then you just take this and then you push the acetone, and then it becomes completely soaked. And then what I do is I actually just put this inside one of these little clips, and then you clip your finger inside. So then it's very comfortable, not too much pressure, but it's holding the cotton right over there. So I'm just going to do the rest. All right, so the acetone soaked cottons are in here, and I'm just going to let my fingers soak in here. I'll check back in with you guys after I let this soak for about 20 minutes. Okay, we are back in action. It has been about 20 minutes. So I'm gonna take off these little clippies, set those aside. You can see that the gel nail polish is starting to crack and lift away from the nail, so that's good. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move on with this tool and just use it to scrape off the nail polish. Okay, as you can see, most of the nail polish is now off. I did struggle a little bit with some of the gel. I feel like my pinky and then half of these nails came off pretty easily. What you could do if you're a little bit more patient than me is you can re-soak one of the little cotton pads with more acetone and then re-soak your nail, and then that should help, and just wait 5 minutes and then you should be able to scrape it off. But I was just a little bit impatient, but I just kind of went over with this tool gently and then I was able to get the rest of it off. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over with one of the nail files and I'm just going to make sure to buff out some of the leftover gel that I wasn't able to get off with the tool, and then also be prepping my nail for more polish. And lesson learned, I'm gonna go over this clean nail with a little bit of the file too. All right, the gel is off this hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repeat the process and take off the gel for my right hand, and then I will check back in with you guys and we will do a fresh coat of gel polish. All right, so I have successfully removed all of the gel polish. So I feel like my hands are prepped and ready to go. So I'm just gonna go in and I'm going to try color 248. It's kind of like a light pinkish color. And I will go and see how this round goes and I will report back. All right, I am back and look, my nails are done. I really love how it turned out this time. So the color I used was from the Beetles set that was in my first video. I'll be sure to link that one below if you didn't catch that one. But this one was just one of the 6 polishes that came in the gel kit that I ordered, and it's number 248. I originally thought it was going to be more pink, and it's like a whitish coral opaque color, and I really liked it. I didn't have any troubles with the paint kind of shifting and moving around. It just stuck to where I put it, and I only needed to do 2 coats of the color this time, whereas last time I feel like I was just struggling with the painting a little bit, and that is because I did not prep my nails appropriately. So I'm really happy with it this time. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. I will be sure to link below this kit that I used to help me take off the gel polish, and then also the acetone that I used from Walgreens. But seriously, just these 2 was everything that I needed to take off the gel. And honestly, I think when this whole shelter-in-place thing calms down, I think I will definitely continue to do my nails more often. I will probably still go to the nail salon to do pedicures because I really don't like doing those myself, but I will probably do my own nails in between my pedicure appointments. But yeah, hopefully you guys found this helpful. Please let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. I would be happy to answer them. them in the description box. I'll be sure to link my video of me trying to do the gel nails the first time, and then everything that I mentioned that I used today. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting me. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you know when I post my next video. Please remember to take care of yourselves and each other, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye.